Looking to enjoy delicious crispy meals without the guilt? The best air fryers offer a healthy, oil-free way to cook your favorite foods while saving time and energy. These innovative kitchen gadgets use rapid hot air circulation to fry, bake, and roast with little to no oil, making meals lighter but just as tasty. Perfect for busy families or health-conscious cooks, today's air fryers come with smart features like digital controls, preset cooking modes, and easy cleanup. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, our top picks for air fryers in 2025 will help you create mouth-watering dishes that support your healthy lifestyle. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. The Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven combines 8-in-1 functionality, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen in 2025. With powerful 1800 Dalton double up heating, it handles air frying, baking, roasting, and more, delivering crispy and delicious meals quickly and healthily. Its innovative flip-up design saves counter space without sacrificing an XL capacity that fits large dishes with ease. The included air fry basket, wire rack, and crumb tray make cooking and cleanup simple. Featuring digital controls for precise temperature and time settings, this silver oven is perfect for busy cooks who want fast, tasty results with minimal oil and maximum flavor. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT Air Fryer is a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse designed for healthy, hassle-free cooking in 2025. Featuring 6-in-1 functions: crisps, broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, and reheats. It lets you prepare a wide variety of meals with ease. The custom program options allow you to save your favorite cooking settings for consistent results every time. With over 100 in-app recipes, this sleek stainless steel air fryer inspires delicious creations right from your smartphone. Its compact 4-quart capacity fits comfortably on any countertop, making it ideal for small families or busy cooks focused on healthier eating without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Number 3. COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. The COSORI 9-in-1 Air Fryer is a compact yet spacious kitchen essential for healthy cooking in 2025. Its 6-quart capacity fits meals for the whole family, while Turbo Blaze technology ensures rapid, even heating from 90 to 450 degrees Celsius for perfectly cooked dishes every time. Featuring 9 versatile cooking modes, including roast, bake, dry, reheat, and broil, it offers flexibility for all your favorite recipes with up to 95% less oil. The intuitive digital controls and fast turbo modes make cooking efficient and convenient. Finished in sleek gray, the COSORI Air Fryer blends style and performance, making it a top choice for health-conscious home chefs. Number 4. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen powerhouse, perfect for healthy cooking in 2025. With a spacious 10-liter capacity, it's ideal for family-sized meals. This all-in-one appliance combines air frying, rotisserie, dehydrating, baking, and convection cooking with 17 touchscreen presets for effortless meal preparation. The large Easy View window lets you monitor cooking progress, while the auto shutoff feature ensures safety and convenience. Its sleek black design fits any kitchen decor. Whether roasting, frying, or dehydrating, the Chefman delivers flavorful, crispy results with less oil, helping you enjoy healthier, tastier meals every day. Number 5. Tasti-Crisp TM Electric Air Fryer Oven. The Tasti-Crisp TM Electric Air Fryer Oven is the perfect compact solution for healthier cooking in small kitchens. With a 2.6-quart capacity and 1000 watt power, it quickly crisps your favorite foods using little to no oil. Its digital controls make it easy to select precise cooking times and temperatures, ensuring delicious, evenly cooked results every time. The sleek gray design fits effortlessly on countertops with limited space. Equipped with an auto shutoff feature, it offers safe and worry-free cooking. Ideal for singles or small families, this air fryer oven brings tasty, guilt-free meals to your table fast and conveniently. Number 6. Chefman TurboFry R Touch Air Fryer. The Chefman TurboFry R Touch Air Fryer offers an XL 8-quart capacity perfect for family-sized meals with healthy cooking in mind. Featuring one-touch digital control presets for popular dishes like French fries, chicken, meat, and fish, it simplifies meal prep. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning effortless. Its sleek stainless steel design adds modern elegance to your kitchen. Equipped with an automatic shutoff, it ensures safe cooking every time. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals with up to 85% less fat than traditional frying. The Chefman Turbo Fryer combines convenience, capacity, and style for everyday healthy cooking.